And chicken marsala, a dish that whispers of cozy Italian trattorias and family gatherings, holds a cherished place in Italian-American cuisine. This dish is more than just a meal, it's a celebration of culture and tradition. This dish beautifully marries pan-seared chicken cutlets with a rich, savory Marsala wine sauce. The sauce, made from Marsala wine, mushrooms, and a touch of cream, adds depth and complexity to the dish. It's a testament to the culinary magic that happens when simple, high-quality ingredients come together. Fresh mushrooms, tender chicken, and aromatic herbs create a symphony of flavors. While its exact origins are debated, chicken marsala likely emerged in the mid-20th century, capturing the hearts and palates of Americans from coast to coast. It became a staple in Italian-American households, symbolizing comfort and home-cooked goodness. Today, chicken marsala remains a beloved classic, gracing dinner tables with its comforting flavors and ease of preparation. Its versatility makes it perfect for both weeknight dinners and special occasions. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary journey, this dish is sure to impress. With its rich history and delightful taste, chicken marsala continues to be a favorite in kitchens everywhere. One of the most appealing aspects of chicken marsala is its simplicity. You don't need a pantry full of exotic spices to create this culinary masterpiece. A handful of fresh, readily available ingredients is all it takes to transform your kitchen into a haven of Italian aromas. Chicken breasts, lightly floured and pan-seared to golden perfection, provide a blank canvas for the star of the show, the Marsala wine sauce. This sauce, a harmonious blend of dry Marsala wine, butter, savory pan juices, and earthy mushrooms, is what truly elevates chicken marsala to its iconic status. Achieving a beautiful golden sear on your chicken breast is crucial for both visual appeal and flavor. A well-seared chicken breast not only looks appetizing but also locks in the juices, making each bite tender and delicious. Start by patting the chicken breast dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture. This step is essential as it ensures even browning and prevents the chicken from steaming instead of searing. Make sure to be thorough, as any remaining moisture can hinder the searing process. Next, lightly dredge the chicken in flour seasoned with salt and pepper. This not only adds flavor but also helps create a crispy crust. Heat a combination of olive oil and butter in a skillet over medium-high heat. The olive oil raises the smoke point, while the butter adds a rich flavor. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, carefully place the chicken breasts in the skillet, ensuring they have ample space to cook evenly. Overcrowding the pan can lead to uneven cooking. Sear the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, or until golden brown and cooked through. The key is to avoid moving the chicken too much, allowing it to develop a nice crust. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving to allow the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is juicy and flavorful. Section 4. Mastering the mushrooms. Mushrooms, with their earthy flavors and satisfying texture, play a crucial role in chicken marsala. They add depth and complexity to the dish, making it truly special. Cleaning mushrooms properly is key to removing any grit and enhancing their natural flavors. This step ensures that no unwanted dirt or debris ends up in your dish. Avoid soaking mushrooms in water, as they tend to absorb it like a sponge. This can make them soggy and dilute their rich, earthy taste. Instead, use a damp paper towel or a mushroom brush to gently wipe away any dirt. This method preserves their texture and flavor. Once clean, slice the mushrooms thinly to ensure they cook evenly and release their delicious juices into the sauce. Thin slices also help them blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. Add the sliced mushrooms to the same skillet used to cook the chicken, allowing them to brown and soften in the flavorful pan drippings. This step infuses the mushrooms with the savory essence of the chicken, enhancing the overall taste of the dish. Section 5. A symphony of flavors, serving suggestions. Chicken marsala, with its rich, savory sauce, pairs beautifully with a variety of sides. Mashed potatoes, their creamy texture and subtle flavor provide a comforting counterpoint to the bold flavors of the dish. The sauce beautifully coats the potatoes, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. Other delicious accompaniments include polenta, pasta, or crusty bread, all perfect for soaking up every last drop of the delectable marsala sauce. A sprinkle of fresh parsley adds a pop of color and freshness to the dish. Section 6 Weeknight Delight. Chicken Marsala, with its simplicity, elegance, and unforgettable flavors, is the perfect weeknight dinner solution. It's a dish that can be on the table in under 30 minutes, making it ideal for busy weeknights when time is of the essence. Gather your loved ones, pour a glass of crisp white wine, and savor the comforting flavors of this Italian-American classic. Chicken Marsala, a testament to the beauty of simple, flavorful cooking, is sure to become a cherished part of your family's culinary repertoire.